All right, J and Box Breaks here with 2016 Leaf Metal Draft personal box here for Mr. Ryan. Ryan W. All right, good luck, sir. You want one from the middle. I'm just going to start mixing them all up anyway. That's what happens after a while. All right, good luck, sir. Let's stroke that box for you. Scotty keeps saying to stroke the box. You guys will think it's junk if Tom Brady doesn't come out. That's the problem. That's all anybody wants. If Tom Brady doesn't come out, nobody cares. And then, like, 2 weeks, you're going to be like, holy crap. You see what that auto's pulling that you sold for me? All right. Ezekiel Elliott apparently is the guy on the box. So if we pull him, we know he's damn good. All right, we got lazy auto signature already. Jalen Smith on the refractor auto. Linebacker out of Indiana. Hey, there's a big need for linebackers right now. Let me grab some more team bags. Hold up. I know the Eagles need a linebacker. Notre Dame. Yeah, you can tell by looking at their outfits. I can't. I see some red, Weaver. I see some red. All right. Or pink. All right, we got a Chris Brown. That's the guy who slaps women, isn't it? Chris Brown from South Carolina. Who's filthy? Jalen Smith? All right, cool. Then you got a good hit, Weaver. We got a pink. Oh, it's so pink. It's so pink. Hunter Henry. Pink. Number 9 of 20. Tight end out of Arkansas. He was a junior in 2015. 46 passes for 647 yards and 3 touchdowns. That's pretty damn good for a tight end. We got some green coming up. Yes, sir. Got some green. Jacoby Brissett. Jacoby Brissett. Looks like a running back. 2 of 7. West Palm Beach, Florida. With the Wolfpack. No, this is a quarterback. I've heard of him. Isn't he supposed to be first rounder? Jacoby Brissett. They were talking about him the other day at the combines. 2 of 7. And we pulled him again. Christian Hackenberg from Penn State. Refractor auto. Christian Hackenberg. So we already got 2 of him. Could be a big hit, though. Not bad, Weaver. All right. Chad's like, mine's going to be awesome. It is a good box. All right. Let's do Chad's now.